Okay, let's take a look at this question 109. How I'm gonna pause the video because the wordings are too long and I think it's not gonna really help us too much. So I'm gonna pause the video, so I'm gonna let you guys read through it and understand it, and I will continue with the video once you're done. Once you guys are done. Alright, pause. I will see you in a bit. Okay, I believe everybody have read the question, so let's move on. Then I'm gonna read fast because I know you guys already read the question already. So site preparation and grading require the placement of 20 feet of new fill. Analysis of the resulting consolidation of the underlying soft saturated compressible deposit reveals a mean consolidation setting of 22 inches, affecting a 21.5 acre area. Prefabricated wick drains will be used to accelerate the settlement to meet the project schedule. Because of contamination from the former site use, the effluent from the wick drains will need to be collected and treated prior to disposal at an estimated cost of 25 cents per gallon. Assuming no loss of effluent during the collection, the estimated treatment and disposal cost for the wick drain effluent at this site is most nearly... Alright, this is too much of words, and they love to do this on the NCEES exam because the time is clicking, boom, and you have like about 5 to 6 minutes to solve each question. I believe maybe 4 to 5 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes. So they know what they are doing. So all what you want to do is go straight to the question. What is the question asking for? Once you know what the question is asking for, then you could play around with the number and try to see, hey, does that one make sense? Does this one make sense? So let me guide you through. There's one, the estimated treatment and disposal cost. So they want dollar. That's what it is. They want big letter dollar. Everybody love money. I love money too. But anyway, so if you see the first statement, I said on the top, it says site preparation. Site preparation and grading require the placement of 20 feet of new fill. We don't need that. That's not necessary in this question. Basically, they say require 20 feet of new fill. So the new fill is what you're gonna bring from another site to the construction site. So we don't need to know that information in this case because they're asking us for the weak drain effluent. Now we're dealing with drainage. We're not dealing with placements or compartments. So the first statement is like, you don't need it. Alright, so what we need is the rest of the stuff. The drainage, the 22 inches, 21.5. Let's do the math. Let me change my red pen to black pen. So 22 inches. First of all, we need to get the volume of the construction site. So 22 inches divided by 12 inches per feet. So basically, I'm trying to end up with feet. And that is it. And now we need to do the same thing for acres to convert it to feet. I hope everybody still remember the conversion from feet square to acre. And if you don't remember, it's at the back of your SAM book. They are before the appendix. So make sure you review that. So times 4, 3, 5, 6, 0 feet square over 1 acre. Just one acre. Oh, I say feet. It should be 1 acre. Let me erase the feet. It should be 1 acre. 1 acre. And 1 acre cancel out. 1 acre cancel out. Inches cancel out. So we should end up with feet cubic. The whole thing is feet cubic. So we can do the same thing at the same time. So I know the whole thing will give me feet cubic. So I can convert feet cubic to gallons. That's what I'm trying to do. So I know 1 gallon, okay, 1 feet cubic is equivalent to 7.481, I believe. I think it's 81, 7.481. Let me double check that. Yeah, 7.48. Some people use 7.4805. Just round it up. I mean, once you know you round it up, so your answer will be a little bit slightly or a little bit up. So just know, hey, you round something up, because this will make a big difference. 0.05 and 0.1. So anyway, so if you do that, you should come up with a value of, let me see what the number it is that I have. It should be 12. It's a long number. I don't feel like writing it out. 12 8 4 4 8 0 2.19, and that should be in, oh, I forgot to put gallon over it. Gallon, GL. So this should be in gallon. And they gave you, they say it's times 0.25 per gallon, per gallon, and this is in dollar sign, and this cancel out, this cancel out, and if you multiply that out, let me see what I will get. Getting 32, it is too long to write. It's actually 32,1200 $. Hey, look, remember I told you that we round up, we round down. So the best closest answer in this case is B. And you might ask me, because I said earlier before, you always round up, you don't round down. In this case, we round down, and I'll tell you why. Let's say they gave you, in this case, we don't have 3. Let's say we have 3,3,0,0,0,0 answer in between A, B, C, and D. Let's say we have this. This will be your answer that you pick. You will not round down. Of course, you're not going to tell your construction people, say, hey, give me 5.2 million. They're going to look at you when you know that your number is actually, 3.2 million or slightly above. They're not going to give you 5.2. While you have other bidders, which they bid for 3.2. So they'll be like, hey, look, this guy is asking for too much. That's almost double of what the actual project is. So I would say go with B. But let's say if you have 3.33 million, I say go with this answer. But you don't have that, go with B. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video, and take care.